Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. So first, open up your browser. I'm using Safari. You can type in Visual Studio Code for Mac. So you need to click on this link, so the one that says code.visualstudio.com, that's the one that you want. And once the web page loads, you should be able to click on the download button for Mac. So once you get to this page, make sure that you have the correct version here. Since I do, I'm going to be clicking on this link, and then the download should automatically start. And there it is. It's starting to download, and once it downloads, I will be back and show you how to open it up. 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, 1. Great. Alright, so it's down here, my download button. So let me open it up and exit Safari. So when you get this page here, just hit open. And there you go. So this is Visual Studio Code. Now let's create just a very simple Hello World code to make sure that it works. So first, you need to open a folder. And you can do that by creating a folder in your desktop. So I'm going to simply go in here and just call it new folder. Let's do tutorial. So it's right there, and here I'm going to open that folder, and it's on my desktop, so hit that, tutorial, and click open. So now I'm in my tutorial folder, and I can create a new file here. I'll call it hello world.c because I'm going to be using C to create this code, and there you go. So once you create a .c file, Visual Studio Code automatically detects that it's in C, and so it recommends that you install this extension. So I'll hit install. So it's installing in the background, and there's all of these different tabs on the left side. This one has all your editors. This is a search function where you can search through your different editors and replace different words. And there's many different ones here. This is a source control, this is a debugger, and the running tab, and this is where you can basically search through the marketplace and find many different extensions. Alright, so I think the extension installed. So let me go ahead and maximize this. And you can also split your window with different codes. And I'm going to open up a new terminal window here. And you can do that by doing new terminal here or hitting this hat with the tilde. Okay, so for hello world, we're basically going to just print hello world in C. So to do this, you always need an int main, and there will be nothing in here. So any code that's written in C needs to start with int main, and for this case, since we're only printing hello world, we don't need to return anything in the argument. And then simply we're going to do printf, open parentheses, open your quotes, and say hello world. And \n makes it so that you're creating a new line and breaking your string at that point. And that should be it. And one other thing is, because you're using printf, you need to include here a library called standard io.h. And this, basically all this says is it's including this function printf. It exists in here, so we need to include this to run this function. And then you hit save, and in the terminal here, all you need to do is compile your program, so you can use different compilers. I'm going to use make hello world. So there you go, it had it, and then I'm going to run it using /hello world. And you can see that it made a file here called hello world. So once you run it, whoops, I misspelled hello world, forgot an O there. So make sure you spell it correctly. And there you go, hello world. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this really simple video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if it helped you. And please stay tuned for the next video. Catch you later.